everybody, and welcome to ClausenWorld. I am not in the garden right now because it is way too hot, but I got a notification that I had something in the mail, so I ran out to the post box and I wanted to show you guys what I got in the mail today. I got a card, a personal handwritten card that I am going to read off to myself off camera. But I wanted to thank this family for getting me this t-shirt. I know that they are inundated with so many accolades and so many emails because they just hit, as of a few days ago, 100,000 subscribers, and it means a great deal to me to be a part of this growing garden community because I'm just one lady with a potted patio garden, and I am no expert, but I have such pride to be a part of this garden family. And I got my t-shirt today. Yes, I did. I'm a part of the Ladylead Farmer family, and I customized my shirt. So I want to say thank you very, very, very much to Lead Farmer for all of his instructions, and Ladylead on their wonderful emails and all the love that they give to all of us out here on the YouTube garden community. I am so proud to get my t-shirt, and I will wear it with pride. Cannot wait. Thank you, Lead family. Bye. Guava from ClausenWorld to the Lead Farmer family.